Today, we will discuss a vital aspect of 3D rendering, the importance of color theory. Color theory is the science and art of using colors effectively in design and visual arts. It's not just about selecting beautiful colors, it's about comprehending the significance and psychology behind them. Colors convey emotions and messages. For instance, red is bold, passionate, and often used for attention grabbing elements, while blue is calm and trustworthy, excellent for creating a sense of reliability. Green is associated with nature and growth, ideal for eco friendly or organic designs. And yellow represents positivity and happiness, perfect for cheerful scenes. Why do we use colors in certain situations? It's all about setting the right mood and guiding the viewer's perception. For example, suppose you are rendering a forest scene. In that case, using calming green and blues can enhance the tranquil vibe. But if you are creating a high energy sports car advertisement, fairy reds and yellows might be your go-to. Despite all my yapping about how important it is to use color theory, in this modern world of technology and information, you don't have to be a color expert to use the right colors in your work. There are tools available for that, such as Adobe Color Tool, which I will be demonstrating how to use. So let's get started with coloring. For the demonstration, I will be using Blender, but you can use any software of your desire. It really doesn't matter. If you look at the scene, you can see that I have set up the cameras and the lighting, and I have some objects in my scene. These objects also have some textures when you zoom in, but we are not going to be doing the texture part. I just want to add color to the objects and my overall scene. So come to the shading part. Now let's see how we can use Adobe Color Wheel to beautify our scene using colors from the color theory or the color palette. So now uh, you can, this is the website coloradobe.com, or you can just type in Adobe Color Wheel in your search bar, and this is the first page that you see. It comes when you come to the Adobe Color Wheel. Now you see it has this color wheel here, and then also has some shades below. If you, let's say, want to use a particular color, so let's go back to Blender. Let's make this a green. All right, so let's say a green color is what you want to use, and see what other shades or what other color match with the color green. You can come here and select the color hex, copy the codes, Ctrl C, and then go back to Adobe Color Wheel, paste it here, paste the color hex here, and you see now it has green and it has many other shades. Maybe yellow is a shade I want to copy. I Ctrl C it, come back to Blender, give the background a yellowish color, and you can see it's matching already. But this color is too bright. That's not what I want to use. Let's go back to Adobe Color Tool or Adobe Color Wheel. One way you can do it is you can go to the Explore, and you'll see that creators have already created a lot of color themes for you to use. You have several options you can choose from in the Explore and use it in your work. So what I like to do is select from a mood. Is it a happy tone? Is it a happy mood? Is it a natural mood, a vintage, whatever you want? You can come here, you can select from the popular searches, or you can create your own search. So maybe war, and you can see colors that rhyme with war, maybe, or violence or whatever. But that's not what I want to use. I want to use more of an happy tone. So let's come here and select happy. I'll be choosing this color. I like it the most. You can choose any color you want. Now that I've downloaded it, come to Blender. I will be removing these other colors. Not going to be using them. All right, so go to the file where you download your colors, just drag it to Blender, and we are going to use the color picker to start selecting our colors to our objects. I would like to start with the background. Select the color picker, choose this lighter color, this grayish blue, sorry, this gray. Sorry, I wasn't selecting the background. Now we have selected the background, and yeah, this is what we have. And these steps also, this is the color I want it to have. So select it, and you have this color. For the bottle, I want it to have pinkish color, so I'll be selecting this. And yeah, this is how you use the Adobe Color Tool. You just have to be picking the colors and selecting them till you get like a nice match of what you want. You can also try out and see, because sometimes when when you use the color picker, it doesn't really give you the desired effect. So you can keep rearranging the colors till you get something that is decent or overall beautiful. Okay, I'm going to make this blue. I'm going to make this yellow. I'm going to make this brownish. Yeah, so this is what you have. You can try out many other things. You can try to rearrange the colors or use a different color palette. But now you can see that our scene looks beautiful and is nicely, the colors are nicely put. Um, yeah, this is how you can use Adobe Color Wheel. Please click on the subscribe button if you like my content, and like it helped me reach a wider audience. Thank you.